guys, it's Chelsea. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video all about skincare and just kind of chatting with you guys. It's been a while. If you are new here, I do a lot of lifestyle videos. I recently got engaged. One of the main things I'm trying to get down with the get down, which is my skincare routine, is ever since I was like 13 years old and I got a ton of acne, and you guys have seen my journey if you've been on my channel for a while. And you know all the products that I've tried in the past, what's worked, what hasn't. So before I get into this, I just wanted to say I'm starting off this video with like no makeup because I wanted to share with you guys what I actually do for my skincare routine. Get up and close on how badly I need to do my eyebrows. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and we're just gonna chat along the way as well. I am sponsored by Proactive MD for this video. They're an amazing company that I actually started using in middle school, and then I totally forgot that they existed for years, and then recently started trying out their products. I did a video where I shared a little bit of what I've been doing with my skin a couple months ago, and now I'm actually just sitting down sharing all the things that I'm doing with my skin, and not only topically like what I'm putting on my skin, but what I'm eating, being more conscious about like just how I live my overall life. It's really important that I get my skin right just so that I feel confident on my wedding day, and also just in life in general. There's so many times where I go out without makeup. I have found myself being more confident in just my bare skin over the past couple years, and I used to just wear makeup all the time because I think I enjoyed it so much. I was the girl that put rainbow eyeshadow all over my eyes in middle school, and no shame. Now I've just realized that I love natural looking makeup. I just go out without makeup sometimes, and I've found that that's actually really good for my skin, and it's helped it to detox over time. So that's one thing that I would recommend to you guys if you haven't thought to do that, or if you're scared to go out in public without makeup on. I would just say give it a go, because I used to be, and then as I did it more, I realized like, yo, people don't really care about if I have makeup or not as much as I do. So sometimes you just have to try it out, see how it goes, and your skin will thank you for it in the long run. So as you can see, I have some pimples and redness, but that's natural. Everyone's skin tone is going to be different. They're going to have different discolorations in different areas depending on your undertone of your skin and how your skin reacts to certain products. I love what I've been using because I've found that it's just kept my complexion more even, if that makes any sense. I don't know if any of you guys struggle with like getting a lot of redness and discoloration in some areas, and then also just seeing that your face gets easily inflamed whenever you have a breakout. I found with this line that it doesn't really happen like it used to. What I typically do with my face, I have this pretty much in bulk. My favorite face wash is the Proactive MD Deep Cleansing Face Wash, and what I love about this is it's not harsh on my skin. It's just the right amount of active ingredients to get my skin like pumped and ready for the day, and also like to keep my face under control. I've noticed that over the past couple months as I've used this, and as I've tried out their new formula, like in comparison to what they used to create like when I was in middle school, it's just so much better. The consistency in this face wash is like thicker, if that makes any sense. Like it covers more areas on my face when I just use a little tiny amount, and then it even like exfoliates. That's why it's called deep cleansing, because it exfoliates your skin. It gets rid of dead skin cells. It wakes me up in the morning. So I really like this face wash. It's just the deep cleansing face wash. Sometimes with the wash, I will use the face brush, which means that I'll like scrub it in even more with the brush that Proactive also makes. And you don't have to get that, of course, but I do recommend that if you guys are really just trying to get rid of dead skin, or you have like dry skin, then it really does help, because it helps to reveal the like fresh layer of skin on your face. Then right after I wash my face, I typically use my moisturizer, and it does have an SPF in it. I make sure that I use SPF like all year round, because you never really know like how potent the sun can be on your skin. I've heard way too many stories about how the sun's affected some people's skin, and I just don't want that to be me. So I'm trying to protect my face specifically with the Daily Oil Control SPF 30. Proactive MD line, and this is just one of 3 things that I use every single day. And if you have certain spots that you want to target, I use this. It's the Proactive MD Adipoline gel. I always think I say that wrong, but it's an acne treatment. So anytime you just add like a little pea size to like certain spots on your skin, it goes directly into your pores and does its active work so that you don't have to. And I just like it because it really targets the areas that you want to target. So if you guys want to try out this line for yourself, for your skin, I would recommend you guys click the link in the description. You'll get discounted prices on all of Proactive MD's products, and you can get the exact same line that I got, which is this 3-step routine, which is pretty simple. It's something that you can keep up with every single day. If you even wanted to customize your order to where you get shipments every 4 weeks or 20 weeks, you could do that. It's just fully up to you. I wanted to make sure that I included a simple makeup look in this video because I've just been keeping it simple lately, and it has made an effect on my skin. Whenever I used to use like heavy foundation and a lot of makeup every single day, it clearly showed in how many breakouts that I had, and I'm just being honest, like that does contribute to how the health of your skin's gonna be. If you keep putting foundation and layers of makeup on top of your acne breakouts, like it will help conceal it and it'll make you feel more confident, and that's lovely, but in the long run, it's just good to give your skin some breaks. So if you have any opportunities to do that, if you're ever like chilling at home 2 out of 7 days of the week, then take that time off for your skin and just be good to it. So I'm just gonna show you guys like what I do simplistically pretty much every single day for my skin. So I start off with a clean face. I've washed my face, put on my SPF moisturizer and my treatment gel. Didn't put it like everywhere, only in places where it needs to be targeted, like right on, that's it, right there. I've been really enjoying this lip gloss. It's so nice, and it's the only makeup I've had on in this video. It smells like butter and cookies. So I'll typically like apply a highlighter of some sort if I'm going out. I usually just like dab it so that it's not too aggressive or like too much. Then I'll blend it in. Then sometimes I'll use like a eye brightener, and I just put it underneath my eyes and a little bit above my brow bone. Then I'll just apply a light dusting of powder. So you just click it, and then it has a little bit of powder in here, and I dust it on. Then I add a little bit of mascara. Honestly, if I could live with only one form of makeup, I would choose mascara because it can dress up like your face like that. They're so pigmented and nice. So I like using this mascara. Side note, just wanted to say thank you guys for all the just kind comments and prayers and all of that for Nick and I and our engagement and soon to be marriage. It's just really helped me see like how encouraging and close you guys have been to me and my channel and social media for so many years. It's just bittersweet. I've just enjoyed these years so much, and I don't see myself going anywhere. I just see things changing a little bit. It's just constantly going to be changing over the years, because as I change, my content's going to change, because authentically, I don't want my content to stay the same. I want it to change with me. So that's the simple little makeup look that I do. I honestly gotta get my eyebrows done and like clean them up because they're looking a little bushy right now. But if you guys have any questions or comments or concerns, I sound like a review page, then let me know down in the description. I really love reading comments. I love just like having a ton of them to respond to. So if you guys wanna hang out, talk to me, then leave a comment down below. So my mic's about to die, so I really need to stop chatterboxing. I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you on my social media and in my next video. Until then, deuces.